Where's the 747? He's coming this way. Let's have a look where he is. He's coming this way. He's coming past us. Where is he? Let's have a look. Oh, he's there. He's there. He's there. He's there. Ugh. There he is. There's the Virgin 747, folks. You have to see. There it is. How high he's going? What's his altitude? He's at 15. Well, you don't even really come lows over the top of me. Mate, I'm getting so many instant notifications on Instagram, folks. From Louise and all that. There it is. I see the Virgin. Where's this one positioning, Julie? Going to Glasgow. What? No, Manchester. Oh, okay. This one gone off to Manchester. I thought this is going to Glasgow, but this one's positioning to Manchester. Wow. Still got his taxi lights on, though. It's off now, anyway. I thought you didn't know his lights were on. You stupid boy.